They wouldn't have let it go for 10 minutes. And here we have stage number 18th, and this is from Monza, where the famous automobile racetrack is, to Domodossola. It's 128 kilometers, so it's a relatively short stage.
Bernardino with the pink jersey, number 81.
Relatively flat stage, I might add, Brian.
And they appear to be rolling along on a bit of a descent, or certainly a flat section here along the river. And the peloton pretty much intact at this point. Most are making a big effort at the front right now.
L'unico uomo che deve controllare, l'unico uomo che gli faccia veramente paura in questo giro è Francesco Moser. Bernardino ha altresì detto, Moser però è...
At this point, Hinault was pretty much shadowing any move that Moser made, because there was not much time separating one from the other. So it was in Hinault's best interest to make sure that he kept Moser close at bay.
Mentre ecco Petito che Giorgio Martino ha intervistato alla partenza. Anche Petito ha svolto un ottimo lavoro
close shots.
per
There's
aiutare
some of Moser's teammates in Olympic Claire, and now Del Tondo. This is
that's my friend Loro, the fellow that I mentioned earlier that comes out and rides with us quite often.
4 chilometri dalla conclusione, ecco
Gary Knetterman,
poi Girotto,
Greg LeMond.
ecco l'ex campione del mondo Greg LeMond, ancora abbastanza nervoso per il via vai.
Apparently Greg at that point called the car, the team car, because I noticed the motorcycle gesturing. Yeah, and yeah, here we go. Apparently Greg had called the team car. Last kilometer, and again, being a flat stage, we're going to have a heck of a sprint.
You can see the pace picking up at the front, and the first few riders in single file. And now the sprint begins, that acceleration to the line, and the lead outs, the teams working to get their sprint man up front.
At this point, it is hairy, to say the least.
It is very hairy at this point. There you can see the Italian fans who seem to enjoy pelting the riders with whatever,
and that's
confetti of
Rosola.
some kind.
Rosola again, Brian.